This is Singapore's first Green Mark Platinum Positive Energy building. At Changi, Keppel's Green Mark Platinum campus is rewriting Singapore's energy story. Over 4,000 square meters of solar PV generating 600,000 kilowatt hours of renewable energy every year. Powered by Huawei's smart string grid-forming energy storage solution with a 4-layer active shutdown system and dual-level passive isolation for unbeatable safety. Our system features advanced pack and rack level optimization, enhancing each pack's charging performance, synchronizing rack cycles, and preventing parallel mismatches to ensure overall system harmony. Via discharging more energy, reducing O&M cost, and improving system safety, Huawei Smart String Grid Forming ESS solution reduces LCOS by 20%. Real-time 3D visualization gives you cell-to-system health insights at your fingertips. Seamlessly participate in Singapore's demand response market, optimizing grid support and returns.